Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the Sony XV900. So let's do the unboxing to see how this speaker looks like, and at the end I will make a sound test and tell you how good it sounds or not. So this is the Sony XV900 speaker. What we have inside of the box: we have the manuals that no one reads. We have an optic cable, because this speaker can be connected via the optic cable with the smart TV, and of course we have two power cables. So I bought this speaker 1 year ago because I found it very interesting. After that I have sold it, and for the last 1 year I just keep thinking about it because this speaker has something that these speakers that you see on the back it doesn't have. This is the JBL Party Box 1000, this is the Sony ULT Tower 10, and this is the LG X-Boom XL90. So this has a feature that these three speakers doesn't have. This speaker have an internal battery that lasts up to 25 hours of playing time. Of course it has a 12.6 inch woofer, very big, similar with the Sony ULT Tower 10. It has two mid-range speakers, and it has 1, 2, and on the side another 2 tweeters to give me omnidirectional sound. Of course it has these speakers on top. So now we are gonna try to turn it on. Remember, this is the first time that I have turning on these speakers. Let's see it. So this is how it looks. It has lights on the bottom and on the top part. It looks very interesting. Unfortunately, I would like and I would love for this speaker to have internal lights here on the drivers, but it doesn't have. These are the two base ports, and on the back we will see that it has these inputs. It has the USB for charging your phone, it has the audio in, the optical for connecting the TV, mic 1 and mic 2 or the guitar, and of course this is the
battery, about 80%.
The battery percent level. On top we will see that it has the on and off button, it has the optical, the Bluetooth, the audio in, and the USB. Of course we're gonna leave it on the Bluetooth, and it has 2 levels of bass. You see, it has multicolor light, but of course you can turn off the lights if you don't want to see them. So I will gonna make a sound test with it to see how loud it is. On the internet I found that it has only 100 watts of power, but the companies measure wattage different. The JBL Party Box 1000 have 1000 and 100 watts of power. The LG X-Boom XL90 has 1000. The JBL Party Box 710 has 800 watts of power, while the Sony speaker it only has 100 watts of power. But I bet you this will shake the house. Of course, for easy transportation we have these wheels on the bottom that are very good, because the speaker it is very heavy. It has almost 30 kilograms, and it has these two handles to move it from side to side. And now we're gonna do the sound test at the maximum level of sound to hear the magic. Let's go.
I wake up every minute with a fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm thinking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns out with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a zombie. facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. So until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'm always manifesting.
Well, that was the sound test with the Sony XV900. As I told you already, this has 25 hours of playing time in battery, so you don't need to use it when it is connected to the power source. The sound, it was very good, it was balanced, the bass it is powerful. I really like, I am very glad that I rebought this speaker because it costs very good for the feature that it has. It cost $800 and in my opinion this is a very good acquisition. It looks very good. Of course it doesn't look that big compared to the Sony ULT Tower 10. This is much bigger, but it almost have the same drivers. You know, it has 6 tweeters, 2 mid-range speakers and the same 12.6 inch woofer. I can definitely tell you that the Sony XV900 is not that loud as the Sony ULT Tower 10 or the JBL Party Box 1000, but it sounds very good and probably it is at 80% of the volume, so of the power. I bet that when this is connected to the power source, the power delivered will be much better than this, and of course I will make a sound test about that, and I will make some cross comparison reviews between the Sony XV900 versus the ULT Tower 10 versus the JBL Party Box 1000, the LG X-Boom XL9T, and of course all of these speakers to see what is the best party speaker for us. I can definitely recommend you this speaker. Check out my next videos to see the cross comparison review. Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!